Welcome to Cancun Bay All-Inclusive Hotel, where new experiences meet our new image. Experiences that create lifelong memories. Lodging experience where you will find more than a place to stay. It is your gateway to the wonders of the Mexican Caribbean. Experiences inspired by the passion to provide you with a personalized service. New image, new culinary delights, the same dazzling sunset. Cancun Bay All-Inclusive Hotel, where every day is a new adventure.